Smart Torqueys presents Alan Gonzalez, mechanical engineer, part of SHIP organization. Citlali Guerrero, civil engineer, part of ASCE. Christian Gabby Reina, part of ASCE, also a civil engineer. Next, Brian Gonzalez Esparza, mechanical engineer, and Cesar Leos, mechanical engineer. And now we present to you Spartan 4X.
Hello, my name is Alan. I'm one of the 5 members of Smart Torqueys. Here we realize that there is an increasing amount of school shootings going on. So we're able to see that from 1980 to 1989, we have 41 cases reported of school shootings. Now that has dramatically increased between the years of 2007 and 2017, where we saw a 300% increase. So from 41 cases, we went up to more than 150 cases between that decade. So here we decided to innovate. We decided to innovate in user engineering to work and try to reduce this amount as much as possible. So many times with these school shootings, a lot of the students are unable to protect themselves. However, here we decided that students should be able to protect themselves. So one of our solutions here is going to be Spartan 4X. Now this is an innovative and modern dual-purpose table. It is not only bulletproof, but it is also light and affordable. So some of the materials that we used on our product, this bulletproof table, include aluminum, Kevlar, sheetrock wood, as well as A36 steel. All right, so coming over and seeing our diagram, we have our front view, our side view, as well as our bottom view. Front view, we're able to see that it's going to be about 44 inches in height and about 66 inches in total length. We also have about 54 inches in width. And let's take a look here at our bottom view. So from our bottom view, we're able to identify that we have our 4 different Kevlar plates. Now, what this is it's meant to be able to protect the student. Now, you may be wondering how is it going to be used. So at the moment where there is a code red going on in school, or the students are advised to protect themselves because there is a school shooter, an active school shooter, at that moment they're able to flip over the table, hide it beneath it. So we made this table 54 inches in height. That way they are able to be completely covered up to the head and stay safe behind any kind of situation. At any point, if they are supposed to retreat, move back, go over to another place, well, they cannot take the entire table with them. So at that point, we use our innovation to be able to apply these hinges that you see here. That way the students are able to grab onto those, release the Kevlar bulletproof plate, and take it with them and stay safe wherever it is that they move. All right, so let's take a closer look here at the Kevlar sheet. We're able to see the top view. So it's going to be about 30 inches in length and about 24 inches in height. Here we're going to take a look at the Kevlar sheet from the side, and we're going to be able to identify that it's going to be 2 inches in width of Kevlar, and in between that we're going to have a 1/4 inch A36 steel plate. All right. So you may be wondering, well, maybe these are a little bit heavy for the students, because this is supposed to cover anywhere between, kindergarten, elementary, middle school, high school, even university students. All right. So let's take a look over here. We're able to see that the weight of each one of these plates is only 10 pounds. So that's enough for the average person to be able to carry with them. All right. And these, as I said before, these are pretty affordable tables. They're only $500, and they're able to save the lives of many. Some of the other products that we're also working on here are the Spartan X, which is basically a large desk that is also bulletproof, and it's used mainly by professors and teachers. We also have the Spartan 6X, which is the same as a Spartan 4X, which I just showed you. However, it's a little bit longer, which is able to hold up to 6 students behind it. All right. We also have the Spartan LS, which is an individual desk that's used mainly by one individual student. So I want to thank you so much for looking into our design and our engineering process. Thank you.